Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Tesla Model X. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake and disable the air suspension system by activating jack mode to prevent any unexpected movement. Always use sturdy jack stands to support the vehicle once it's lifted, never relying solely on the jack. Your safety is paramount when working under any car, so take these precautions seriously. Next, you need to find the correct jack points on your Model X. There are 4 designated lifting points, one near each wheel. These are typically small, circular pads on the undercarriage. It's highly recommended to use a specific jack pad adapter to ensure proper contact and prevent damage to the battery or side rails. Never place your jack directly on the battery pack or other underbody components. Now, let's go through the jacking process. Position your floor jack, with the jack pad adapter in place, directly under one of the designated jack points. Slowly and carefully raise the vehicle until the tire you are working on is clear of the ground. Once lifted, immediately place a sturdy jack stand securely next to the jack, then gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stand for stable support. Finally, to lower your Model X, first slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stand. Carefully remove the jack stand from under the car. Then, slowly and smoothly lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Once the car is fully down, remove the floor jack and remember to deactivate jack mode through your touchscreen controls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.